This is the current condition of my drone. It's quite unfortunate. The drone crashed and the gimbal got broken. Then the flex cable, there's a cable that controls the motion of the gimbal. The cable also cut. I was filming the ongoing dualization of Amobia to Ikulobia Road, and at some point I decided to film a ground shot using my phone. And then where I stopped filming the ground shot, I felt like using the drone to take a shot of that ground level, then take the drone up to continue the aerial shot of the road. After making sure that there is no traffic on the road, I took off with the drone, flew to where I wanted to start taking the shots from. Then I turned around. So as I started moving forward, I didn't know that a truck was coming from behind, and the truck hit the drone from behind. So when I went to pick up the drone, I saw it in this condition. So the next video you will see is the last video I was recording when the crash happened. That's how it happened. I'm making this video to keep you, my viewers and subscribers, informed, just in case you no longer see videos from me this period. I'll not be able to make videos this period until I'm able to fix the drone again. I've also reached out to the repairer and he said it would take around 120,000 naira to repair it, which is a very huge amount. I would also like to solicit for your assistance. If any of you feels like you can assist me with something, that would be very much appreciated. I'll put my account details in the comment section and also my phone number if you would like to reach out to me or assist me in your way. That would be very much appreciated. Thank you.